Welcome back to my channel, Physics Globe by Shankar sir. On the request of so many students, parents, colleagues, friends, and my well-wishers, I decided myself to explain the solutions of TS MSET, JEE Main, and NEET from 2018 to 2021, chapter wise and topic wise here. So all of us should utilize this opportunity. Don't waste time. Focus on the subject and try to get good marks in physics. Try to get good rank in MSET, JEE Main and NEET. Okay. Coming to syllabus for MSET, JEE Main and NEET and IPA also. In first year in physics there are 14 chapters. In second year in physics there are 16 chapters. Totally 30 chapters, 30. Coming to first year syllabus, 14 chapters. Physical world, units and measurements, motion in a straight line, motion in a plane, laws of motion, work power energy, system of particles and rotational motion, oscillations, gravitation, mechanical properties of solids, mechanical properties of fluids, thermal properties of matter, thermodynamics, kinetic theory. These are 14 chapters. In second year, waves, ray optics and optical instruments, wave optics, electric charges and fields, electrostatic potential and capacitance, current electricity, moving charges and magnetism, magnetism and matter, electromagnetic induction, alternating current, electromagnetic waves, dual nature of radiation matter, atoms, nuclei, semiconductor devices, communication system. These are 16 chapters, my dear students. So 14 to 16, 30 chapters. This is syllabus in physics for any examination here. In MSET, there are only 40 questions in physics. But here we have chapters are 30. 30 chapters, 40 questions. Each one carries 1 mark. In JEE Main, there are 25 questions. But here chapters are 30. Observe it very clearly here. Each one carries 4 marks. 30 chapters, 25 questions in JEE Main. In NEET, there are 45 questions. Chapters are 30. NEET also, each one carries 4 marks. So, should practice all solutions. I will explain very clearly each one. In each chapter, chapter wise or topic wise, I will explain. And you should maintain one separate notebook and watch my videos regularly and try to increase your knowledge in physics and try to get good rank in MSET, JEE Main and NEET. Don't waste time, my dear students. Should focus on studies only. It's a very, very important time. Okay. Now see here, coming to here. TS, Telangana side MSET. See here. From 2018 to 21. 18, 4, 5, 7 May. 3 days. And 19, 3, 4, 6 May. 3 days. 2020, 9, 10, 11, 12 September. 4 days. 2021, 4, 5, 6 May. 3 days here. And each day there are 2 sessions, morning and evening here. So total here 13 days, each day 2 sessions. 13 to the 26. 26 exams were conducted. Online examinations. All are online examinations. So 2018 to 21. So all of you should concentrate on this analysis, and students should focus here. Should practice all these previous examination papers. I will explain the solutions very clearly. Mathematics is very, very useful. Integration, differentiation, and trigonometry, and multiplication, division are very, very important in physics here. Next, coming to JMIN. 18, only one exam. 19, here, April, June. January, 4 days. April, 4 days. And 2020, January, 3 days. September, 5 days. 2021, 4 times JMIN was conducted here. 4 times here. February, 4 days. March, 4 days. July, 4 days. And August, September, that is 5 days. So you should practice all these solutions chapter wise and topic wise. Then it is very easy to score good marks in physics. You improve your knowledge in physics. It will be very, very useful in the examination here. Concept to formula problem. Solution here. Should focus on concept and should fix the formula in your mind. Then it is very easy to score good marks in the examination here. You should practice the number of problems in each chapter, and you should follow one material for theory purpose. Depending upon your college, you should follow one material for theory, for synopsis, for concept here. And you should practice the problems. Okay. So, subscribe my channel and share to your friends and watch my videos regularly. Don't waste time. Try to get good rank in MSET or JEE Main on it.